Hi guys, today in Old Christ Kitchen we shall be unboxing wafer cooking ware. However, we got this for sometimes cooking little portion of food, but it's nice. Come along with me while we open it. It came in yesterday. That was a working day, but I couldn't unbox it. But today in my kitchen, I shall be unboxing it for you guys. So this is the Wayfair kitchenware. It came in, so we're just gonna see what's in it. So I can unbox it this way. Thanks. Yeah. So thank you. So that's it. Unboxing. Unboxing. Wow. Can you capture that, darling? Thank you. Yeah. So this is nice. This is actually we got it for the family, but it's more like a gift. It's nice, and I shall be reviewing this for Wayfair, and I shall be adding a link underneath the video so you can purchase one if you like it. I'll be giving you a review while we use it. So this is it. This is how it came. Yeah, this is it. This is beautiful. I'm gonna unbox it. This is a box inside the box. So I'll just stop here. So it's a granite non-stick cookware. So it's granite 10-piece non-stick. So we're looking for something non-stick, something that wouldn't be getting burnt. So this is it. So we're gonna review it, we're gonna use it, and as well this is PFOA free. So it's nice, it's good, it's non-stick pan, it's good, it's something, you know. Thanks, darling. So this is the granite 10-piece non-stick cookware. It's really nice. So it's reinforced with stone particles, so it's really good. It's oven safe as well. You can bake with it. It's dishwasher, so you can wash it in our dishwasher. So it's really nice. So it's good, it's fine. So it's really good stuff. Reinforced with stone particles, so it's resistant to scratching and sticking, and is oven safe, so it could stay in the oven for up to 200 degrees Celsius. So it's good stuff. Then dishwasher, and suitable for all hobs, so you could cook in the induction hob, you could cook on the gas, on the electric. So it's really nice. So but we hope to be using this on the gas just now, and then also on the induction hob we've got. So just nice. So it's good. So that's it now. We'll just try to open the box, unbox it. I've got good reviews. I've heard my friends, they use these. My friends have work, they told me about this. They told me about this granite 10-piece, and I just thought to give it a try. So just, you know, unboxing it and giving it my own review. I'll give an update review on my Oldcrest TV, and then I'll put a link if you would like to purchase one. You can purchase it from Wayfair website. So it's nice. So join me as I unbox it. Thanks, darling. Here is it. So it's nice and it's pretty good. So this is the set. So it's nice. It's this is the first cover. So it's really nice. It's pretty nice. And this is the next cover here. So honestly, it's nice. It's guarantee. So it's granite non-stick cookware. Use and care. Everything, the manual is in here, so how to use it, and how to, the safety warnings, wait before you take the plunge, before you use the new Grimaldi cookware for the first time. Remove all packaging, wash your palm in warm soapy water, rinse dry for best result. Non-stick surface should be conditioned by wiping the interiors of the pan with light coating of cooking oil. So that's nice. All non-surface benefit from periodic conditioning, so it's nice. That's how to treat it. That's a set. The set is a cover set, and here is the first saucepan. Oh, I love it. I really do love it. So it's non-stick, made with stone particles. It's good. It's good for some frying eggs, stuff like that. So, oh, nice. And this is this nest covers, honestly, and is affordable. It just costs, the cost isn't that much. So this is the bigger fry set pan, saucepan as well. This is for frying the omelette or whatever. I hope you're not capturing me. Then this is another set. So it's nice. It's pretty good. And thanks, darling. So it's 10 trays. So this is the biggest sauce. So it's nice. Get this here. And this is the cover. Wow, this is nice. Yes. That's fine. So, we'll begin talking about it now, okay? So this is the set. So it's it's 10 pieces called, because of the covers are also part of the piece, but this is the big one, this one, the little one, and this. However, this set is so nice because these are the frying, like the sauce pans, but they can be covered as well when you cook, and this is the way it goes. So this cover this cover fits in here perfectly, nothing. So they all have covers, but it is called 10-piece set, but they cover this and they cover this, the saucepan. So in case you want to stir fry and you want to keep it covered, the spot cover covers this. So it's nice. Honestly, I'll give it 10 over 10. And the next one is the little saucepan or frying pan, or however you call it. This cover here covers it. It fits in perfectly well. So it could sit this way. So everything, the way it's done, this could cover the other bigger saucepan, and this could cover this one. And this is stoneware. It's non-stick pan. It's so nice. Honestly, it's so good. I've been to my friend's place and she uses it, although the bigger set, and it's so good. Non-stick. It's nice. I'll give it 10 out of 10, and it's a plus. Thank you. Thanks for watching. So we wash it with hot water. Yeah, that's a it. It has to be washed with hot water. Hot water. This is hot water. Thanks. So this is it all washed now and ready for use. It's been washed with soapy water and rinsed out with hot waters. So it's been washed with warm water with soap and then rinsed out with hot water. Good hot water. So that's it, ready for use now. Thanks guys. Thanks.